Hello guys, this is our top selling fingerprint design started from 2019. So till the moment it's around 19, 20, 21, 22. It's around 4 years, still the top selling models from our factory. First, this device with kinds of typical functions is fingerprint dual side, card dual side, and key dual side, and the power supply can buy 4 pieces AA battery, or you can electricity 12 VDC if your frequency is high each day. So we can suggest to the electricity power supply to this device. Actually, this device is very convenient for some markets, for some to fit different markets. You can see this is the indoor part. I just to show the inside part of the device, and this is the indoor part cover. Okay, just to put in here like this. Okay, it's like this. I already registered the finger and the card for both sides, so we can unlock. Okay, something like this. I can just register my finger, something like this. Unlock, right? So, okay, I take out the latch and the back card. Okay, yeah, right. So the same from the outside, okay, by the finger. Unlocked. Okay, by the finger, and by the card. Unlocked. Okay. And the password. And this device front part is TT lock. So we can provide this device in 2 different apps. App is TT lock or to your smart Wi-Fi. If into your smart Wi-Fi, we can remotely unlock from far away, no need to extra hub or gateway. But if in TT lock, it must be to equip with a G2 gateway for remotely unlock. So it depends your market, depends your user habits to choose different app for using. So, but both 2 different app is good app from for this device. If click unlock from the app, okay, it's very easy. Just to click to for unlock. Okay, something wrong? Okay, let me check. Is this model? Okay, click. Okay, come out the latch. So it's very convenient. So and the device comes with all the accessories except the battery. The battery you need to buy from your local. So because for the shipping, if with the battery is a lot will make hard conditions. Low battery is easy for the shipment. So kindly check to see this model if available for your side, for your market or not. Okay, I introduced to here. Okay, thank you for watching.